Who's got more balls? The Pittsburgh Micro Flush Cutter, 3 doll hairs, or the Icon 6-inch Flush Cutter, 29 doll hairs. Let's see. Flush cut battle. Who reigns supreme? The Icon 8-inch side cutters, too beefy to play. They're out of here. The Pittsburgh Ultra Flush Slim Cutters. Sounds like a cigarette, right? Give them to your sister to make a bracelet. They're out. The true champion of everything. The Icon 6-inch Flush Cutters. Get you some. Don't forget to like and subscribe, you woman.